What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. It's your boy Crazy Crypto Cliff, aka Triple C's. Drop them C's in the chat and let me know you're rocking with the kid. All right. Look, guys, I do have an update on some stocks that we've been following, and have some stocks to watch for you guys. Okay. But look, guys, before I get into that, I want to know, what is your plan, guys? What is your investing strategy? Okay, because you have to have a plan when you're investing. Okay, don't just start investing in things, putting your money into these stocks, and you don't have a long-term goal or even a short-term goal. Okay, so you have to know, are you a short-term trader, or you're a long-term investor? It's up to you to decide. Okay, everybody's the captain of their own ship. Okay, so you're in control of your investments, guys, and just know what your strategy is. Okay, so if you're investing for 3 to 4 to 5 years down the road, then you're not really worried about anything in the intermediate. Okay, you got your companies picked out that you want to invest in, and you're investing every single week. And you don't, no matter what, if the market's up or down, you're investing every single week, okay, for the next 3 to 5 years, and then you'll worry about when you're going to exit. Okay, just want to let you guys know, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so definitely do your own research as well. But I'm just giving you guys my point of view and my investment strategies. Okay, all right, now, guys, with that being said, the first stock up on our list, guys, is Uber Technologies. Okay, so I've been talking about this stock right here a lot lately. Okay, because we just started investing in this because we felt like it has finally become an investable long-term company for us. Okay, so they do have earnings reports pre-market tomorrow. Okay, so before the market begins tomorrow, they're going to release their earnings report. Okay, now this could have a tremendous impact on the stock price. Okay, so since we're investing in this, guys, what we want to do is we want to know what to expect tomorrow. Okay, so we're going to use the Moomoo investment app, guys. My link will be down in the description, guys. If you use my link and sign up, you'll get up to $1,000 of free stocks and 8.1% back on your uninvested cash. Okay, but inside the Moomoo investment app, guys, it gives you all of the information you need when it comes to the company's finances and things like that, and their income statements, so you can know if they are profitable or not. Okay, so let's look at Uber Technologies, and we want to see if this is a actual good company for us to invest in. All right, now, gang, when we look inside the Moomoo investment app, okay, now we can see that the current price of Uber is at $89.39. Okay, now aftermarket it went up to around $90. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to look below that. We can see where it says quarter two FY 2025 estimates. FY is fiscal year. Okay, so their estimates are they're expecting to bring in $12.4 billion, guys, which is plus 16% year over year. That is huge. Okay, so the EPS, the earnings per share, they're expecting that to be up to 62 cents. Okay, which is plus 32% year over year. All right, so that is tremendous. Okay, now that's just their estimates. Okay, so we want to look a little bit deeper. Let's see how they've been living up to their estimates. Okay, we're gonna scroll all the way down to where it says financial estimates. Okay, and we're looking at the revenue. Quarter three of 2024, they estimated 11 billion. I'm sorry, estimated 10.9 billion, and they brought in 11 billion. Okay, so they beat their estimates there. Quarter four 2024, 11.9 billion. So they beat their estimates there. And then quarter one of this year, they just barely missed their estimate. Okay, so that's a little bit of concern, but that doesn't mean everything. Okay, so we're gonna look at the EPS. All right, so the EPS, they're smashing their estimates every time on that. All right, now we're gonna scroll down to their income statement. Okay, this is really gonna tell the story for us. Okay, let's go to the income statement, guys, and let's look at their revenue. Okay, so the revenue tells the story. All right, so from quarter one 2024 all the way to quarter one of this year. Okay, so let's go down the line, guys. 10 billion, 10 billion, 11 billion, 11 billion, 11 billion. Okay, so they're bringing in lots of revenue, and the percentages respectively are that is plus 14%, plus 15%, plus 20%, plus 20%, plus 13%. Okay, so that shows you that this company has been improving since last year. Last year was the first year that they became profitable. Okay, so that's good. Okay, so they're bringing in a lot of revenue. Okay, but the final story is how much of that revenue are they keeping, guys, because that will let you know. So we're going to look at the net income. Quarter one of 2024, they lost minus $666 million, guys. But after that, quarter two in 2024, they've been profitable ever since. 1 billion, and then the next quarter, 2 billion, and then 6 billion, and then 1 billion the first quarter of this year. Okay, so they are a profitable company, and guys, they are finally making their way to becoming a long-term profitable company. Okay, and we know they've recently made investments into the autonomous rideshare business, and they are expanding their business that way. Okay. All right, now guys, like we said, currently after hours Uber is sitting at around $90. Okay. Now our target price is around 105 to 110. Okay, because that's where we see this going. You saw the analyst ratings. The analysts have it at around 103. Okay, that's where they see it going. All right, but I see it going a little bit higher. Okay, so that is the range that we're working with, guys, and we can see it going there by October. Okay, so that's going to get us past all the volatility of August and September. So we did take out some options contracts that don't expire until October 17th, with a strike price of 105, 110 if you are looking to just get in and get out by October. Okay, but if you're a long-term investor, you're not too much worried about that. So keep your eyes on Uber, gang. All right, gang, look, man, if you want those free stocks, guys, I will have the link down in the description for you. Okay, if you want to learn how we are trading stock options, guys, go over to crazycryptocliff.com and become a member, guys, so you can get access to the buy alerts as well as the training videos. Okay, but look, that is all I have for you guys in this video. Okay, I will definitely see you guys in the next one. Remember to stay disciplined, and let's get this money.